Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be creating another random dessert, and this week it is cupcakes. So the book that I'm making this from is the Magnolia Bakery cookbook, which I bought specifically because of this series, and I thought that it would be a great idea to choose a cookbook that looks like it's an interesting thing to try out. It's an American cookbook, and I think the recipe will be great. Give me a random number between 7 and 196.
Your random number between 7 and 196 is 91.
It's for Magnolia's Vanilla Cupcakes, and I am going to be using a vanilla buttercream with it. Anyways, let's get on with it. So, in conclusion, I think that this is a great recipe. The cupcakes turned out very delicious. Although I have, as you could see, amended the vanilla buttercream a bit. I added gingerbread spice mixture and I added some food coloring to make it a little bit more interesting. And people loved it. I took it to work and it was great. So thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, press the like and subscribe button down there, and I'll see you next time. Bye!